Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Welcome to the first video in our series on ethics in business. Today, we're looking at ethical considerations towards internal stakeholders and their impact on business operations. Let's get started. Ethics in business refers to moral principles that guide decision-making and behavior within an organization. It's about doing what is right, fair, and not just what is legally required. While laws set minimum standards, ethical responsibilities go beyond compliance, focusing on fairness, respect, and responsibility. For example, a company may legally pay the minimum wage, but ethically, it might choose to pay above it to support employees' well-being. Internal stakeholders include employees, managers, and owners, those directly involved in the business. Ethical businesses ensure fair treatment by offering fair wages, safe working conditions, equal opportunities, and job security. In the UK, John Lewis is well known for its ethical approach, offering fair pay and profit-sharing schemes that reward staff loyalty. Fair pay is a key ethical issue. Ethical businesses ensure employees receive a living wage, not just the legal minimum. IKEA UK, accredited by the Living Wage Foundation, pays staff above the required minimum to support their living costs. Safe working conditions are another ethical concern. Ethical businesses must prioritize employee well-being by maintaining safe environments and offering mental health support. Marks & Spencer provides well-being programs and flexible working options to promote a healthy work-life balance. Equal opportunities are crucial in ethical business practices. Companies must promote diversity and inclusion, treating employees fairly regardless of gender, race, or background. Vodafone UK is recognized for its inclusive policies, offering equal pay and career growth opportunities. Despite the benefits, maintaining ethical standards can be challenging. Providing better wages and benefits increases costs and may reduce profits. Businesses must balance ethical responsibilities with financial sustainability to remain competitive while maintaining their reputation. For your IKEA GCSE business exam, you may be asked to explain ethical responsibilities towards internal stakeholders. Analyze the impact of ethical treatment on employee motivation and productivity, or evaluate how ethical policies affect business performance. Typical exam questions might involve assessing ethical improvements and their potential benefits. In summary, treating internal stakeholders ethically results in higher morale, better retention, and an improved reputation. However, businesses must carefully balance ethical responsibilities with financial realities to ensure long-term sustainability. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please subscribe to our channel, Business with Mr. G, so you don't miss the next lesson on ethical considerations towards external stakeholders. See you soon!